Gypsy, do you love your baby? Gypsy, 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 do you love your baby? Can you give him kisses? Can you give your baby a kiss? Oh, he's so nice. Do you love him? It's a baby. Do you give him rubs? Do you rub your baby? You rub. Oh, nice kisses. That's a nice baby. You say hi, baby? Yeah, baby. Can you go give him a kiss? He's a good baby. You're a nice baby. Oh, you're so nice with your baby, Gypsy. He's a good baby. Oh, yes. What a nice baby. You give him snuggles? You snuggle with your baby? Yeah. Oh.